How to fix Shopee, your checkout attempt has been rejected. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to open up the cart or the item which you are trying to purchase, and when checking out, you want to make sure that you are using the correct payment method. If you have multiple payment methods set up, make sure you select one that is active. Now, if you have done this, the second thing that I suggest doing is going back, clicking on your profile icon in the top right, then clicking on the settings icon again in the top right, and you want to click on logout. Once you log out, you will then log back into your account, and hopefully this is going to fix the issue. If again it doesn't work, the last thing that I can suggest doing is opening up your phone settings, searching for iPhone storage. Now right here you will sort these by name, and you want to find the Shopee app. I'm just going to show you with another app, but you will click on the Shopee app, you will then select offload app, and once you offload the application, then you have to click on reinstall, and that should fix the issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.